Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I like to thank all my 16,000 subscribers, presently having 700 plus videos and have got 1.7 million views. So in the membership level 1, this is for class 4, and level 2 is for class 2, level 3 for all troubleshooting, level 4 I give most of the information regarding latest technology. Level 5 is the highest level where I will be giving all the videos to you, and you can call me directly for any help. For making all this payment, you can go to my bank account and my name is there, IFSC code is there. You can make the payment. Once the payment is done, please send the screenshot, so I will send you the videos. Or you can make payment on Paytm. You can scan the QR code and send me the screenshot. So I will be helping you in this regard. So any message with respect to payment, please let me know. If you have any doubt also, you can message me so that I will be helping you. Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I'll explaining you about how we are going to remove the main bearing. Okay, this is for Yanmar diesel generator. Model number is given over here. Before you start any job, the toolbox meeting is conducted and the risk assessment is carried out, so the job is done safely. So there are a lot of things which I will be explaining in detail one by one. So what you have to do is you have to shut the starting air, engage the turning gear, open the indicator cock, all these are there. So I will not discuss much on that, so you have to read through. So what you have to do is, once it is isolated generator, so you need to open the crankcase cover on both the sides, that is one. Then you need to, suppose you want to open the main bearing, then you have to remove the side bolts. Okay, the side bolts of that particular unit on both the sides. Plus you have to remove the side bolt adjacent to the main bearing on both the sides. Okay, this is very important. Then what they are saying is make sure the crank shaft is turned in such a way that it's easy to work. Okay, so you can all read through this. This is for who are to engineers to go through. Okay, so I'll be explaining it in the picture how we are going to remove. So what we are going to do, and in details I'll explain. Just you read through this, because I'll be explaining, you will understand. Reading through this will take few minutes of yours. So very important is, after reading through you will know what I am going to tell you. More or less it's the same thing, you will understand better. So what we are doing is, we are going to remove these side bolts. Okay, so suppose you are going to remove the main bearing of this, say this is unit 3, so you have to remove the side bolts. So if you see this is the side bolt. Remove the side bolts on both the sides. Actually this bolt is actually locking the main bearing bottom cover. Actually this is actually locking it. So all of them, you can see the bolt here. So once you remove this, then what they are saying is you have to slacken both the side bolts next to this, one here and one here. This is very important. Okay, we open all the crankcase doors here. So very important. So very important equipment required in this case is, this is the normal jack, you can see here. This kind of jacks we are using for lifting the car also. So this is a special jack here. These two holes are there to lock the bottom bearing. So this is, you can turn it, so this will move up and down. This is one important instruments required. Then we have the hydraulic pump we have. This will be connected to the hydraulic jacks to remove the hydraulic nut. Okay, so this is the hydraulic pump. In our case we will be pumping this to around 600 bar. So just read through the instruction. So this is the part 1 of the video. The part 2 of the video will be posted tomorrow, so if please wait for that, and if you have any message, let me know. Thank you very much.